Okay, Gitu ma'am, we can start now. Please mute yourself, everybody.
Mute చేయమంటుంది.
Yes, thank you. Hanji, Gitu ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, ma'am. So crossing the body's midline is the ability to reach across the middle of the body with the arms and the legs crossing over the opposite side. It means कि जो हमारी बॉडी होती है उसको टू इक्वली प्रोपोर्शन में डिवाइड करना, और जो हेड से लेके टो तक हमने इसे इक्वली डिवाइड किया है, जिस पोर्शन पे, जिस लाइन पर हमने डिवाइड किया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मिड लाइन. आई होप कि सबको क्लियर हो गया है. एंड उसके बाद वी विल नो कि व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर डूइंग अ लार्ज सरफेस एक्टिविटीज, लाइक हमें ड्रॉ करना है
or a reception desk at the airport at a
draw large horizontal lines from left to right, right to left. उसके बाद हम कर सकते हैं कि हमारे जैसे एडियल एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, जैसे पुटिंग ऑन क्लोथिंग, या फिर सॉक्स के टाइम पर, शूज के टाइम बच्चा इजीली करना, देन वो प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है. एंड वो हाउ इज इट यूजफुल, सो यूजफुल कैसा है. इट इज दिस, कैसे मसल ऑफ द ट्रंक होती है उसे ये स्टेबलाइज करता है, सो दैट कि बच्चा कोई भी एक्टिविटी करे, उसके जो हैंड्स और लेग्स होते हैं वो उन्हें कंट्रोल मैनर में मूवमेंट कर सके. So this is all about midline crossing.
Yes, please, without any delay, we have already got the session delayed. Let's quickly move on to our activities.
So सबने एक पहले डिस्पोजेबल ग्लास या कोई भी ग्लास ले लेना है अपने हाथ में इस तरह से.
Everybody take the disposable glass in your hand, in your right hand.
Ma'am, we have to make the kids do it, right?
Yes, you have to make the kids do it.
मैं कंटिन्यू कर लूं?
Yes, yes, please give them.
देन राइट हैंड में लेने के बाद आपको लेफ्ट हैंड को इस तरह से रखना है एंड उसे पास करना है ग्लास से इस तरह से.
See, you need
राइट हैंड से लेते हुए आपने लेफ्ट हैंड को देना है, और लेफ्ट हैंड के पास जब होगा गिलास तो आपने राइट हैंड में इस तरह से पास करना है.
Okay. Please, everybody carefully observe Gitu ma'am's hand movements, because if you are seeing carefully, unka right hand is moving towards the left and left is completely moving towards right. They are not meeting in the midline.
यस, ऐसे नहीं हो रहा, इस तरह से नहीं करना.
Parents, please do not unmute yourself. It creates a lot of disturbance. So a lot of kids are just taking it from the midline, beach mein lake, and they're taking it. Okay,
Yes.
so make sure your hand is crossing over. Okay, everybody doing it? Yes, very good, everyone, very good. Okay, let's do it on count. Okay, let's do it 10 times. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes.
very good, very good, everyone. Okay, you can keep it aside and let's move on to our next activity.
So start ma'am next activity.
Hanji, Hanji.
तो सब बच्चे फ्लोर पर आ जाएं. On the floor. Sit on the floor. Come.
ए-
Stand up and sit on the floor.
Everybody sit on the floor and take out a chalk piece.
Yeah.
I hope you all can see Geetu ma'am's screen.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So
Okay.
So अब आप सबने चॉक से ये जो आपकी वेस्ट एंड होती है जहाँ पे वहां से आपको कर्व बनाना स्टार्ट करना है लाइक दिस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. Everybody got it? From here to there. Ma'am, please continue.
Yes, everybody. Do it with your right hand first.
And start from the left
Yes.
side.
Start from your left side. With the right hand, start from the left side, completely bend over, okay? And then make an arc. Who all are doing it? Do it, do it. Yes, Kush, very good. Okay, so one or two kids I'm seeing कि when they are going and जब वो बना रहे हैं right side से, they are putting their left hand on the floor to balance their body. Again, जब crossings coordinated नहीं होती है, body balance effect होता है. So if the midline crossing is not up to the mark, not good enough, you will see the balancing issues as well. So
Yes,
it is an
ma'am.
indication.
Yes, ma'am. It is very true. Even at this age, he still has to support on the ground.
Yes, because body is not coordinated enough.
English.
Okay.
The left hand balance something you said.
Yes, so when the child is drawing with the right hand, some of the kids, they are supporting their body with the left hand so that they can reach the left hand and then make the arc. In this case, as I mentioned in the writing, or not the writing, like taking over something from the other side, the whole body is going into rotation. Ideally, only your hand should move and your torso should be in a midline position. Okay, so if you're seeing those signs, means you need to work on the process.
Ideally, where should the hand which is not writing, where should it be for a person who doesn't have this issue?
It should be in the lap, ideally, because you
Lap.
don't need to use it that way. You just need to
Lap.
use one hand, right? So if you're doing just with the right hand, the other hand should be rested and in the lap. It can be in the lap, it can be on the knee, but same you can repeat with the left hand. So start from the right. Kitu ma'am, can you please show from the left hand?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you will start from the other side.
Okay.
From the right side, you will start and make an arc towards the left side, ending with the left side. Okay. All right, everyone. So you can be sitting in your position and we can do our next.
So our next activity. Sorry?
Our next activity, lazy 8 in the air.
Yeah. So आपने लेजी 8 के लिए अपनी ये फिंगर जो आपकी इंडेक्स फिंगर है आपके नोज के सामने होगी बिल्कुल like this in the mid.
Yes, very good, everyone. Those who are right-handed can use the right hand. Those who are left-handed can use the left hand.
Yes. और जो थंब है वो आपकी सीलिंग की साइड होगा ऊपर की तरफ. Yes. And उसके बाद आपने थंब को देखते हुए 8 बनाना है और वो 8 इस तरह से बनेगा कि मिड लाइन क्रॉस होगा. इट मींस कि वो राइट साइड पे भी आएगा और लेफ्ट साइड पे भी आएगा.
Okay, everyone. So you need to make a large figure of 8 so that
Yes.
you're crossing your midline, and you need to watch your thumb so that you are also visually tracking it. Your neck should not move when you're doing this. Your body should not move when you're doing this. Only your hand and your eyes.
Ma'am, excuse me, but
Hanji.
I tried my child, but he did not look at the hand. He looks somewhere, but the hand is moving correct. Is it okay or?
Is it okay as far as midline crossing alone is concerned? But we usually target visual tracking also when we do figure of 8. So that time we would want him to follow. So if he's not following just the thumb, maybe you can put a sticker that he likes. Or you can make a color dot there. You can put a bindi. You can put something there which he really likes to see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody do it.
I have given the marker on the whiteboard. That time he is drawing, but only 2 or 3 times only he drew the 8.
See, lazy 8 again has stages. So first you do on the marker, on the board or on the chalkboard. Then you move on to the air wala part, visualization. Okay, in front of the whiteboard. And what we are doing is the later stage. But since we are showing few activities, so we're not going through all the stages. Okay, so you can start with first making a figure of 8 on the whiteboard and asking the child to move the finger over it, then a little behind it, and then without the finger. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So done, everyone? Show thumbs up. Who all are done? Yes, very good. Very good, everybody. Shall we move on to our next activity?
Ma'am,
Midline walk.
excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
My daughter is able to do the tracing of 8, but she's not able to concentrate on her thumb.
Right.
She's looking somewhere.
Yeah,
So
I just answered that question. So you have to either give something, a sticker or something, and you have to go through the stages. So first you go on the board, then you go with finger on the board, then you go a little distance between the finger and the board, and then you go without it.
okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Geetu ma'am, our next activity, midline walk.
Midline walk. Okay, ma'am. So, sir, फ्लोर पे सब एक चौक लेके सभी ने फ्लोर पर, पेरेंट्स ये आपके लिए है कि एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देनी है लाइक दिस.
Make a straight line on the floor.
आई होप कि सबको दिख रहा हो.
Yes, yes, it is visible, ma'am.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Done, everyone? Okay, let's move ahead.
ओके, सो आपने बच्चे को कहना है कि वो इस तरह से चौक लाइन जो लगी हुई है उस पे इस तरह से खड़ा होगा. सी माय पोजीशन. इस तरह से साइड वे में चलना है बच्चे को. मैम
Yes.
विजिबल हो? इज इट
हाँ जी, हाँ
विजिबल?
जी. It is visible, Geetu ma'am. It's perfect. आप इसी पोजीशन में रहिएगा
इस तरह से
और आपको क्रॉस करना है. So
क्रॉस.
the feet have to be together in the beginning, and then you have to cross and keep walking sideways. Who all can do it? I think again you will find balancing issues here. Yes, very good, very good. You are doing very, very good. Make sure your feet is touching together. Gaurav, feet together while walking. And same way you have to come back also, both sides. Good, 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 everyone. Walk sideways. Yes. Keep your feet together at all times.
I thought only I given the sidewalk only, but I could not understand the cross leg. That also I will start to practice.
Yes. Usually we give sideways walk, but
Thank
that
you,
is
ma'am.
simply walking. Okay, Madhav, you need to keep your feet together and you need to keep walking. Keep walking sideways, not on one position. Yes, Arnav, very good. Very good, very good. I am not able to name all the kids. Kush, very good. Harshit, your feet is not clearly visible, but I can see some gap in the legs.
Yeah, ma'am, if child is crossing the leg from forward side, and sometimes the area is crossing from the back side actually.
It should not be ideal. Because when you're walking, so you will just go in one direction, right? Sometimes you're going back, then you are crossing, you are opening your legs from front side. So you need to train that way. Maybe she is not able to balance. That is why she is adopting alternate approaches.
Okay.
Ma'am, while walking, he's actually holding to the wall or something. He's not able to balance. Is that related to this topic?
Yes, it is related to the balancing issue. See, all the skills, we call it midline or we call the bilateral coordinations, balancing issues, your gross motor skills, basically your core strength. So they are all interrelated. They do not work in isolation.
Ma'am, is this the right way?
Ma'am, you need to tell me which one because there are so many screens here. I need to figure out. Can you name the child, please?
His name is Priyansh.
No, I mean, by what name can I see you? Oh, Namrita's Galaxy, is it?
Namrita.
Yeah.
Walk.
Okay,
करके
beta,
दिखाओ मैम देख रही हैं आपको
walk, beta, walk quickly.
प्रियांश do it fast. Walk करके दिखाओ फटाफट. ऐसे वाला नहीं वही वाला close leg. Do it fast. Priyansh stop behaving like that. Shepherd. Yes, mom. Do it nicely. Yes, mommy.
It is partially correct. If you look carefully, the leg is not able to cross properly as of now. Maybe because he's not in the mood, but the crossing should happen proper. Okay?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Aditya's mother. And he's crossing. He's going towards from left to right. He's turning his body towards slanting towards right.
Yes.
So he should not turn his body, right?
No, he should not turn. Your body is straight, only your legs are moving. Okay, all right, everybody. So we'll run out of time. Let's move on to the next activity, windmills. Okay, everyone stand on one position.
Stand up like this. Open your legs. And जो हैंड मूवमेंट होगी टोज को टच करेंगे नीज बेंड नहीं होंगे और वन हैंड जो होगा वो एयर में होगा लाइक दिस.
Yes, so these are, your hands have to be stretched. So if left is going down, right is up.
Yes.
Yes, very good, everyone. Very good.
So when left is down, then right is up.
Ma'am, my kid is able to do, but like his hand is not straight, like the other hand is not going up.
The other hand is not going up.
Yeah.
That will come with practice, a little practice, because as the body will start balancing, initially what we work is only alternate toe touches, where the child is bending down and we are only making him touch the alternate toes.
Okay.
So windmill is the advanced version of those alternate toe touches.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am. Thank you.
Very good, Neeru. Good.
Okay, those who are keeping their legs very, very close, please a little apart. It should be more than your shoulder width.
Yes, Gautam. Try.
Okay, mostly kids are having problem taking the other hand up. Alternate touches, most of them are able to do.
Ma'am, leg should bend or not?
No, no.
Every activity the child has the issue, ma'am. That's the problem.
The idea is not to tell you that there's issue in everything. The idea is that this is what we can also do.
So let's count.
Okay, yes. Let's do 10 counts and then proceed to the next one.
Start. 1. Ready, everybody? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, good, everybody. Try it. Good try.
Very good, everyone. Good attempt. Let's come back on the chairs or on the floors. Okay, and let's move on to our last activity for the day. Glasses.
Glasses.
Yeah. So yeah.
पेरेंट्स आपने दोनों साइड पे ग्लासेस को इक्वली डिवाइड करके रख देना है, राइट साइड एंड लेफ्ट साइड बच्चे के, जहां पर भी बच्चा बैठेगा, लाइक दिस, राइट साइड एंड लेफ्ट साइड.
Yes, it is visible. It is visible.
ठीक है.
Can you come a little forward, Geetu ma'am? आप अपनी चेयर थोड़ी सी आगे कर लीजिए. Okay. Okay, everyone, रख लिए glasses. Now ma'am will show you what to do.
See, अब आपको राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट साइड वाला ग्लास उठाना है और आपने अपने हैंड को एयर में रखना है. आपका जो हैंड होगा वो नीचे नहीं होगा, ऑन द टेबल या फ्लोर, ऑन एयर. ओके,
Door close. You be door close.
explain in English also.
Okay, everybody take one glass in your right hand and keep it in the air. Okay, don't put it down. It has to be in the air.
And
Now,
again,
yeah.
yes. जब लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट साइड का ग्लास उठाएंगे और उसे बॉटम में रख देंगे, उसके नीचे. और दोनों टाइम यस,
हाँ जी,
ग्लास एयर में रहेंगे. अगेन राइट हैंड से गिलास उठाया लेफ्ट साइड से, और लेफ्ट हैंड से जब गिलास उठाएंगे राइट साइड से, दोनों को बॉटम में रख देंगे.
Okay, so many kids are putting the glasses upwards in the stack. You have to keep the glass below the stack. क्योंकि वहां पे आप then you will be balancing the glasses as well.
Yeah.
And sorry, somebody is saying something. The glasses are finished. Again, divide them and keep them on your right and left side.
Yes. Okay. This is Ritvik.
No, this is Shrivid.
Achha.
Sounded like Ritvik.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, one more thing you need to notice is the hand which is holding the glasses stacked in the middle should be in the midline at one stationary position. Only your hands are changing, the glasses are in one stationary position. Because I'm seeing with the hands, the glasses are also moving on either sides. Okay, not on the table, Ishani, not on the table. Gaurav, you're also putting on the table.
Yes. Gaurav is also putting on the table.
Geetu ma'am, can you please repeat this activity once more?
Yes, please repeat it.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
if you have to put it below the stack, then you have to move the center one a little, no?
See, a little movement within the range. We will just demonstrate you again.
Okay.
So you take the glass from the left side. Okay.
Keeping the hand in a straight position only is very difficult.
That is, see, it is not just that with one skill he will develop it. You need to work on the arm strength, you need to work on the shoulder strength, you need to work on many things. His core and everything. That is why I'm saying no activity works in isolation.
Ma'am, while picking the glass from the other side, they're not supposed to move their body. Is it only the hand should move? Is that
yes, the glasses should be within the reach of the hand so they can pick up easily. So if you can, okay, Geetu ma'am, yeah, she's demonstrating again. Please see carefully. Ma'am, you are on mute. Geetu ma'am, you're on mute. Okay.
सी लेफ्ट हैंड से जब मैंने राइट साइड का गिलास उठाया तो पोजीशन यही रही. जैसे अभी मैम ने कहा कि जो मूवमेंट है वो सेम रहेगी, सिर्फ हैंड्स की मूवमेंट चेंज हो रही है.
जो आपका midline, the middle stack is at the same position approximately. It should be within a slight range of motion, but mostly in the same position. And the body is not moving. So only your hands are moving. And that too for a very small amount of range of motion. And most of the kids are still putting the glasses on top because that is easier. So this is the second level where you have to keep the glasses below because the whole stack has to be balanced.
और जिनसे अभी इतने ग्लासेस से नहीं हो पा रहा वो 2 से 4 ग्लासेस तक स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. ये इतने ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में होने से भी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट.
Right, absolutely. So reduce the amount of glasses अगर आपसे if you're not able to do.
Yes.
Okay, done everyone. So that's about it. Gitu ma'am.
Yes. ma'am. So these are the today's activity about on midline crossing. I hope कि सबको अच्छा लगा हो.
Hi, ma'am. So I have a question. Like, should midline activities, crossing activities,
I
should
like
be
it,
done
ma'am.
every day?
See, you are
What's-
anyways doing it every day. In your ADLs, you're doing it. In your reading, you're doing it. In your writing, you're doing it. You are doing it every day, but not to a level where we can develop them. Okay. So जब intentional development की बात आती है, so yes, there should be at least 1 or 2 activities on a daily basis in the initial stages will definitely help.
I'm actually
Okay,
even
okay. Thank you so
while
much.
Sorry.
while teaching them to bath, even the soap has to be applied
Exactly.
to opposite sides.
Exactly. So everything is incorporated in your ADLs. Again, if the child does not have enough hand strength, enough shoulder strength, he will not be able to put it for a long time. He will just put it. Okay. So this was about it today, everyone. We are coming up with our fine motor sessions now. We are coming with a fine motor program. So the details will be shared in the group. If any one of you is interested in that, you can contact.